third one is safety and efficacy profile of a new design of angular chopper and dialer, to be presented by Professor Dr. Gaurav Kapoor.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be talking about a new design of side angle chopper and forward angle dialer, which has been designed by me in the year 2019-20. This was presented at AIC 2020 at the Apple Tree, and it was one of the best 10 innovations which was awarded on the final session and in the free papers and the invited session. The design concept was the best paper in the cataract session, and it was among the top 5 innovations. The patent was published, and I'm happy to announce the patent has been granted last week to me. So the patent certificate is finally in my hand. Basically, phacoemulsification, we all know about it. What we realize, we've been teachers for so long, surgeon experience is the most important factor. Rate of vitreous complications in various studies is 2 to 14%. And teaching students, we know it's highest with the first year residents and beginners. So that is the bugbear of all the surgeons when you are in a teaching setup. Complications occur in both techniques, either you do the divide and conquer or the chop, but it is higher in phaco-chop. And what has been brought out in various studies is it is highest in unsupervised surgeries. So the supervision is most important. So I took two basic simple design changes in the dialer and the chopper. Aim was to improve the safety profile, reduce complications, and increase the efficacy. So in the dialer, I introduced a 110 degree forward angulation. So what this does is this improves the reach of the dialer in the forward area. So you can go ahead in the nucleus without actually reaching forward. And it increases the tip distance from the PC. And I introduced a side angulation in the chopper, which is 120 degree. Now this was the best axis that I designed depending on the tensile strength of the material. Beyond this, there was breakage. So what this does is, if you go back to your high school physics, what it does is aligns forces. We have been taught in physics, when two forces work in the same axis, their output is much better. There's a cumulative effect. So effectively, when you do surgery at 90 degree or 120 degree angle, your instruments are at an axis to each other. You're not getting the most effective force. So aligning them gives you an addition of the forces. So the idea was to compare the complication rates, phaco times in residents, senior residents and junior surgeons, and in experienced surgeons. So we took all the surgeries of resident. They all done under peribulbar anesthesia, 2.8 mm incision on the Alcon Infinity machine, grade 2 and 3 nucleus. There were 2 groups and there were 385 cases. In senior residents, there were grade 2 and 3 nuclei, peribulbar, transition from stop and chop to direct chop, 1234 cases. And in experienced surgeons, we took all grades of cases, topical anesthesia, 1876 cases. So what is important here is, I'll not go over all the results, is the phaco time and the PCR rates. The PCR rates dropped from 4.78 to 2.03%. So that's a halving of the PCR rate in the beginners. In the senior residents also, it went down from 3.19 to 1.86%. This is because when they shifted to the new design of the chopper and dialer. And in the senior surgeons, obviously we didn't expect much of a difference. Even there was a marginal difference, which was not in the p values. It was not significant, but numerically there was a drop from 0.64 to 0.52% in the experienced surgeons also. So these were the total cases. This is the breakdown of the instruments that they used. This is just one surgery that was done. You can see that the chopper has an angulation of around 110 degrees, 120. So the chopping in a grade 3 nucleus is also absolutely instant. It's an addition of forces that we have done. So the phaco times and PCR rates are in line with the worldwide data. Significant improvement in both in the use of the angle chopper and dialer. It helps in transition to phaco in young surgeons because it gives them the confidence to go ahead with the surgery because you have a safer instrument in hand. Complication rates are reduced and also helps in the transition from stop and chop to direct chop. So to conclude, the chopper has a improved safety profile. It has reduced complications. It helps in the transition to chopping. It helps in hard cataracts. What we actually came out, surprisingly, the best part was the dialer became a chopper replacement because of the design change. You can use it. We did the study on grade 2-3 nuclei, but with experience we have realized you can use it in even grade 4 nucleus with similar results. And so the improved safety is there because you have a blunt tip in a dialer, and it's the ideal instrument for beginners. Thank you.
Thank you. I would would like to ask, the purpose of your angle chopper was to go to the periphery.
No, the dialer.
The
The
dialer.
dialer has a forward angulation, the chopper has a side angulation.
Okay.
So the dialer actually moves away from the PC because it is raised and it reaches to the periphery without your hand actually going forward. So you get a forward reach because of the forward.
Measurement of the keep angulation. What is the measurement?
0.89 mm
0.8.
in the dialer and 0.7 mm in the chopper,
Was it used for direct vertical chop or horizontal chop?
vertical chops.
Vertical chop, not, you were not.
You can use it in both, sir. We have found it effective in both.
Okay.
So these
But-
are two different instruments, is it? Dialer
Two
is different and chopper
The dialer
is
has a forward angulation, the chopper has a side angulation.
I think in the direct vertical chop it will be helpful, but in the direct
Even in the other,
horizontal
you can
chop,
try it, sir. Now it's this is not part of the project. It's available from Joja Surgical. It's being sold for the last 3 years now. So you can try it out. It's effective in all types of chop. Basic idea is addition of simple physics, like I said, addition of the forces. That is what it does. The dialer improves your reach. That has a different
But
purpose.
in 90% of the cases, you can use standard dialer for chopping. Grade 2 to 3. That
figures
is what
speak-
we find.
I know the figures, but they
It's
speak
the
for
only
them.
5% of cases which
I-
are leathery brown.
agree.
You need choppers.
That's because
otherwise-
we are experienced surgeons. I'm talking from the resident setup. This is where we notice the difference. A 50% reduction and improvement in safety
you
profile
have
is
mentioned
huge.
about PCR, but have you checked about the CCC edge which got accidentally cut?
No, we didn't do that.
There was not a single case where it was
No,
accidental.
no, no.
It may
Such
not have
cases were-
progressed to the posterior
Such
capsule.
cases were excluded because they were taken over by the faculty. These were
But-
successful cases which were completed by the resident from beginning to end, even
But
with the
how
PCR.
many such cases were there?
So I have given the figures. They were in the
Sure.
presentation,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Basically, the technique, the chopping, the chopper, and it helps more for the beginning surgeons, not for the experienced.
Even for
surgeons.
the experienced surgeon, even in senior residents, we found a reduction in the PCR
No,
rate
no,
and the improvement
for the
in phaco
residents
time.
and senior residents, it helps.
It's a very big boon.
But for the very experienced surgeon, it does not
Probably
matter
for
much.
you and me, it doesn't make a difference.
Mm.
But even I find, I'm used to that instrument, so find it much better as compared to the normal chopper.
Yeah,
and
thank
dialer.
you very